Hi guys, another video today, and I am going to be telling you how to make slime. And here we just have normal Elmer's school glue, and also have our desk wise PVA glue bottle, but I put my activator in there. So for some reason I just like stirring it at first. It has no activator in it. I don't know, I am probably just like, I don't know. And then I just start adding the activator slowly. This is a really weak like activator thingy. So this is a voiceover, and at the soon there I put all the thing in, the activator in. I have to go get more, so yeah. Here I'm just stirring all the activator in and making sure that, well, it's all stirred and mixed together so it can make a lovely white glue slime. I do not colour this any time, so it is gonna be really just plain, I guess. And that and stuff like that. But if you think I should have coloured it, please put it in the comments. But at the end it turns out really clicky and everything like that.